Suspect sighted on Foxglare Pass driving erratically in a Ford Shelby. Engage in pursuit. Command Central has approved SCPD airborne assistance. Use the aerial support unit to keep your target from escaping.
Roger that. Aerial pursuit unit engaging. We're on the suspect. Target has dropped the spike strip. The situation is highly dangerous.
Spike strip has failed to slow the target. EMP activated, acquiring target log. Aerial support is standing by. We are awaiting orders. All units, local EMPs are now authorized for use. Repeat, EMPs are a go.
I've made contact. My vehicle has taken damage. Spikes on the road. All units proceed with caution.
Suspect has evaded the spike strip. Chopper unit in the air and awaiting target coordinates.
Suspect has sustained heavy damage. This thing is almost over.
The suspects are now under arrest. Bring them for processing.